Good morning everyone. Myself Kajal Shah from Mumbai Bhayandar branch, grade 1 teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn something. Yes, you will enjoy it and you are familiar also with it. You are knowing, but we will learn something more in it. Okay, before I start, today we will write what is the date. Today's date is 2nd of June 2020. And you know what is the day today? Today is a Tuesday. Today is a Tuesday. So I'll write Tuesday. Okay. Now we are going to learn a very interesting subject. That is EVS. We also called it as environmental studies, and we write in a short way, that is EVS. Very good. Now what is the topic? I'm not going to write topic now. Before writing topic, I will ask you some questions. Okay, now I'll ask you some questions, you will answer me. Now we all are in class. So what all things can you see around the class? I'm writing. We can see is very good. I'm writing on a board. Very good. Then marker. Very good. Tube light. Very good. Without tube light, can we see what teacher has written on the board? No. So tube light. Very good. Then fan. Very good. Bench. With the help of bench, we keep the book on a bench and we write. Then what else we see? AC, right? Very good. Projector. Yes, and many more things we see, right? Like for example, you have stationaries, locker, books. Am I right? But we'll write this much is, it's okay. Now my second question, okay? My second question is, what are things we see surround us? Like not in our school, but when we go on the road, what do we see? Yes? Okay, I'm writing here. That is animals. Animals like dog. Animals like dog, cow, buffalo also, cat also, but I'm writing two names. It's okay. And what else we see? Trees, green color trees, right? Then we see human beings, or we can write people. We see people around us. And what else do we see? What else? Car. Very good. You also see the car. And what else we see? Yes, we see all this thing. We are very familiar, right? When we walk on the road or when we go from school to our home, right? You go with your mama. So we see all this thing on the road. Right. Now, can you tell me how many legs does a chair have? It's a 4 leg. How many legs? 4 legs. And how many legs does a cow have? Okay, how many legs does a cow have? Cow also have 4 legs. Now, my next question is, can a chair move by itself? Can a chair move by itself? No, it cannot move. But can a cow move by itself? Yes, a cow can move by itself. Why so? Any idea? No? Okay, I'll help you. Because chair is a non-living thing. Chair is a non-living thing. I'm writing here, okay? Non-living thing. Whereas cow is a living thing. Cow is a living thing. So we all come to know a living thing can move. A living thing can move. A living thing can move. Now you will ask me, Miss, what does mean by living thing, right? Now, living thing means, okay, living things means what? The things which need food, air, breathe, and which also need water, which moves from one place to another by itself are known as living thing. Okay, living thing means the things which we see around us, right? And the things which can breathe, which needs water, air, food, which can move by itself are all known as living thing. Now, can I rub the board? Yes. Okay. Now I am rubbing this and I am writing the name of the topic. So our today's topic is living thing and non-living thing. Our today's topic is living thing and non-living thing. I am writing, just a minute. So our today's topic is living. Spelling of living is L-I-V, live, I-N-G, living, and A-N-D, and non, N-O-N, non-living things. Okay. Now, in our earth, in our world, everything is divided in two parts only. That is living thing and non-living thing. Now I'm writing what is mean by living thing. I told you right now, right? So I'm writing here. Living things. Living things means the things which can living things means which can, I'm writing here, things which needs breathe, water, food, also they can move and feel. They also feel. Now I'll tell you some examples, okay? What is mean by living things? Living things means things which needs breathe, water, food, and move and feel. The things which can move and which also feels. You also feel, right? When somebody hits you, so you feel hurt, right? You cry and you go to your mama. Okay, mama, this person has hit me. Or when you fall down, you get hurt. So blood comes out. So you cry, na? You are paining because it is paining you. So you can feel the pain, right? Okay. So now I will write some examples over here. Okay. For example, people, right? We human beings need food, we need water, we also need air to breathe, right? If air is not there, will you able to survive? Will you live? No, we will not able to live. We need breathe, means oxygen, air. We also need water, food. We can move from one place to another, right? Right? And we also feel. If we get hurt, we feel it, right? So we human beings are living things. People are living things. My next example is animals. I am including all the animals. All the animals means what? Wild animal, domestic animals, right? All the animals need food. They all need to breathe. They can move from one place to another, and they also feel. Have you seen sometime when any of your pet, if you have a dog, for example, if you have a dog at your home, if he get hurt, so he also cries, he makes a sound, right? And then you come to know that something is wrong with my pet, right? So even animals feel. Now next is birds. Birds. Okay, even birds feel. They fly from one place to another. They also they breathe. They also need food. They drink water. They can move from one place to another. Even they feel. You have seen while Makar Sankranti, many birds get hurt and they start bleeding, right? The blood comes out from their body because they get hurt with the thread, right? So even birds are living things. So all the living things are people, animal, birds, and one more thing. From where we get the food? From where we get the fruits? Yes, plant. Very good. We get the food from trees or plant. I'm writing here. Trees. Yes. There are n number of types of trees. So we also get, trees also need water. They need food. What kind of food? Are we giving them rice or dal? No. They get food from the sunlight. The sunlight comes and falls on the plant. That is the food which they mix when we put the water, right? That is the food for the tree. So even trees are a living thing. But a tree cannot move from one place to another. Only the tree is the thing which cannot move from one place to another. Otherwise, all the living things can move from one place to another. One more thing a plant or living thing can do. They can give out the waste. They can give out the waste. I'm writing here. Give out the waste. Now you will ask me, teacher, what is waste? Yes, we all go for washrooms. The same way animals also go. We all go the same way all animals also go. Right? And then one more thing we can do is we can have our babies. Yes, we can have a babies. Yes, all the animals have the babies. All the human beings have the babies. You will ask me about the plant, right? But do you see the seeds? When we sow it in the soil, what comes out? It becomes small plant. And then it becomes a big tree. And then from that tree what comes? Fruits. And then again that small baby comes, that is seeds. We sow it in the soil. Am I? So now we have learned about the living things. Now we will learn about the non-living things. Spelling of non-living thing is N-O-N, non-living, L-I-V-I-N-G. Living things. Now you will ask me, teacher, what is non-living thing? Right? Now non-living thing is what? Opposite. The things which do not have life. The things which do not have life. They don't want to eat food. They don't want to what? They don't need a food, air. Okay, they cannot move from one place to another until we move it. Okay. I'm writing here the meaning of it. Here. Things which does not need food, breathe, move or feel, waste out or have baby. Yes. So now I hope you are clear with the non-living thing. What does mean by non-living thing? Things which does not need food, breathe, move or feel, waste out or have babies. Non-living things are the one who doesn't need the food, the one who doesn't need the water, doesn't need the air, does not move by itself, does not waste out and also does not have a baby. Now I'll give you some examples. You will only tell me, okay? I'll show you some objects. What is this? Can you tell me what is this? This is a ball. Very good, ball. I'm writing your spelling. B-A-L-L, ball. Now, does a ball move by itself? Does it move by itself? No. When I am moving it, it can move. Does he ask me for the food? Does it ask me for the food or water? If I throw it down, is it going to feel a pain? No. Can it give a baby? Can it produce a new small ball? No, it cannot produce. So this is a non-living thing object. This is a non-living thing. Now I'll give you one more example. That is a duster, right? Teacher uses a duster. So does a duster ask me for food? Does it ask for the water? Does it need for a breathe? Does it need a air, oxygen to breathe? No, it does not need. It cannot reproduce the baby also. So duster is also a non-living thing object. Now one more example. What is this? This is a bottle. Very good. We carry to the school this bottle. We bring a water in it. But does this water bottle drinks all the water? No. Does he ask for the food? Does he feel the pain if we throw it down? No. Can it produce a new bottle out of itself? No. So even the water bottle is a non-living thing. Water bottle. B-O-T-T-L. Bottle. Okay? Water bottle. Now my next is books. Yes. You all are knowing this is all a book. Right? We study from this book. Does a book need a food? Does it need a water? Does it need? No. Can it produce a new book out of itself? No. So even a book is a non-living thing object. So we will write here books. And I am writing with what? What is this? This is my marker. So even a marker is a non-living thing object. Even I am writing on what? Board. So even this board is a non-living thing object. So what is mean by non-living thing object? That is, non-living thing object means the things which does not need a food, breathe, move or feel, waste. They cannot give the waste. They cannot give out waste, or they do not have the babies. They all are known as non-living things. Now we have learned the examples, that was ball, duster, then water bottles, books, marker, AC, very good, projector. Yes, this all are non-living thing object. Okay, now we will go ahead. What I will do is, I will show you some objects. You will tell me whether it's a living thing or a non-living thing. Okay, I'll show you. Now, what is this? Yes, it's a t-shirt. It is a t-shirt of a boy. But is it a living thing or non-living thing? It is a non-living thing because it does not need the food, water. It does not feel any pain if I throw it down also. It does not reproduce a new t-shirt. Am I clear? So it is a non-living thing. Now, what is this? This is a jar. Mama stores the food in it, food grains like rice or dal, pulses, right? So, is it a living thing? Does it eat all the pulses or whatever food we put it in this jar? No, because it's a non-living thing. It does not produce a new baby. It does not need a food or does not need the breath, or it cannot move by itself. So this is also a non-living thing. Now my next object is, what is this? It's an elephant. Okay, it's an elephant. So elephant is a living thing or non-living thing? Just tell me about the elephant. Okay, I'm just showing you the toy. Elephant is a living thing because it moves, right? It moves from one place to another. It also needs the water. It needs the food. It also feels the pain if we get hurts, right? Now it can also produce a new baby out of it. Now my next is, we all are aware, what is this? This is a plant, right? This is a small plant. So to grow the plant, it needs a food, it needs a sunlight, it needs a water, right? If we cut down the tree, what happens? Have you seen some milky comes out, the creams comes out, something liquidy? It also gets hurt. How? If we get hurt, so blood comes out. When we cut the tree, even the some kind of gums comes out. So even he feels the pains. Only the thing, this living thing cannot move from one place to another. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. Now we will do a short recap. Okay, we will do the short recap of what we have learned today.